Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max online class. So, in the previous class, we gave the classwork, isn't it? I gave you few mains to write in the classwork. So, now we'll continue. All of you keep ready your classworks only, Max classworks, okay? How many mains we gave in the previous class? 4, 5 mains I gave, isn't it? Have you completed? Yes. Once in a week, every Friday, you have to bring and show your classworks for corrections. Okay. It should be neat and it should be written by children. Okay. Mama wrote and gave, sister wrote and gave, you shouldn't say. You already know how to write, which is classwork, which is homework, all you know, isn't it? So take out Max classwork fresh page, keep ready and continue whatever we'll write on the board. Okay. Shall I start, children? Yes. Keep ready fresh page. As I told you in earlier, in one page, only one main it should be written. Don't mess up all the mains in the one page only, and handwriting must be neat. Okay. It should be very neatly written. Leave one on line and write, no problem, but it should be written neatly. Yes. Right there, take out fresh page, write heading, time. Clock. Yes, you can use the bangle to draw a circle. Then draw one neat circle. While explaining in textbook, I have told you how to draw the clock, isn't it? First, draw circle, square, any shape of a you can draw to draw the clock. Okay. Here I have drawn circle. After drawing circle, mark the 4 markings in the middle. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then write 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. You shouldn't write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay. Some children will write off like this. Draw circle 1, 2, 3. It will not come correctly. It will come wrong. So first draw circle, 4 markings in the middle. Then write 3, 6, 9, 12. Then center point 3 and 9 between here and 6 and 12 between it should be there. 1 here center point. You are seen in the clock, isn't it? Then you can write the other numbers. 1, 2. Leave one on finger space gap and write. Okay, don't write like this 1, 2, 3 like that without leaving a gap. So leave finger space gap. Then write the remaining numbers. Okay. So, any timings you can mention. So, how many hands it will be there in the clock? 2 hands. You are written in the test paper, fill in the blank holes, isn't it? Short hand and long hand. So, hour hand will be the short hand, minute hand will be the long hand, isn't it? So, 3 o'clock means short hand lies near 3, long hand lies near 12. Okay. Draw the clock neatly. Then, whatever we'll write, 5 points are there and write it down. You also leave a line after writing a clock, drawing a clock, then write down. Okay. Clock has how many hands? 2 hands. Clock has 2 hands. Second point, shorthand shows hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, that all shorthand shows. Then third point, longhand shows Longhand shows minutes. Longhand shows minutes. Next point. No place here, so I'm writing beside. You can continue next line only down. Okay. 1 hour equals 16 minutes. 24 hours equals 1 day. Okay. So I'll explain one more time for you to make it to understand well. Then you can write it easily and correctly. Okay. Yes. See. First, take out today Max class workbook fresh page. Write this heading time. T-I-M-E time. Then clock. C-L-O-C-K clock. Okay. Then draw one clock. Okay. Draw the clock neatly. So how to draw the clock? I told you, draw circle first, then mark the 4 markings in the middle, then write 3, 6, 9, 12, then center point here. 6 and 12 between, 3 and 9 between center point. Then mark any timings you can mark, 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock, any timings you can mark. Okay, how to draw? Then write the other numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there, 7, 8, 10, 11, like this. This is the way of drawing the clock. Understand, children? After drawing the clock, so down, leave a line and write this 5 points. What's the first point? C-L-O-C-K, clock. H-A-S has 2, H-A-N-D-S hands. Clock has 2 hands. Okay. Clock has 2 hands. How many hands? 2 hands. Next, shorthand shows hours. S-H-O-R-T, short. This is the shorthand. See, in the clock, both the hands, it won't be the same size. It will be the same size? No. One is short one is long. Isn't it? Shorthand, what it will show? Hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. Like that you'll say, no? Hours. It will show. Shorthand shows hours. S-H-O-R-T, short. H-A-N-D, hand. S-H-O-W-S shows hours. H-O-U-R-S, hours. Shorthand shows hours. Next, third point. L-O-N-G, long. H-A-N-D, hand. S-H-O-W-S shows minutes. M-I-N-U-T-E-S. Minutes. Okay. Long hand shows minutes. Fourth point. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. 24 hours equals 1 day. These 2 points also you can write it down only. Next line. For me, no place. I wrote it beside. Okay. Any doubt in this? Once again, I'll read off. Then I'll erase it and write the next main. Next main you should write in the next page. Okay. Time, clock. So first draw the clock, then write this. Clock has 2 hands. Shorthand shows hours. H-O-U-R-S, hours. Long, L-O-N-G, long. H-A-N-D, hand. S-H-O-W-S shows M-I-N-U-T-E-S, minutes. Long hand shows minutes. 1 minute, 2 minutes, that's one. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 24 hours equals 1 day. Understand? Any doubt on this page? No. Now, after you finish this page, take out next page and keep ready the next main heading. I will erase and write it. By the time I will clear the board, you keep ready the next page. Okay. Yes. Have you opened the next page? Keep ready the next page heading. Right. Right. The write the numbers in short form. Write the numbers in short form. Four tens and two ones. Leave on a line and write the sums. 5 sums are there. Okay, 3 tens and 8 ones. Zero ones. Five tens and one. Eight tens. Six ones. See the heading? What we have written? It's first main, finish the children. Take out second main, write the heading. Write the numbers in short form. So you know that how to do here the expanded form, isn't it? We are giving numbers like this, any numbers, and we are writing 6 tens plus 3 ones. Like this expansion, you are writing, isn't it? But in this main, they are only given the expansion, 4 tens and 2 ones, isn't it? They are only given expansion. You should write the short form. What? How to write short form? Which number is there in the tens place? 4, right here. 4. Which number is there in the ones place? 2, right here. Okay, 42. So 4 is there in the tens place, right? 4, 2 is there in the ones place, right? Understand? So if we give the number, you should expand and write. Okay, expansion. Then there only expand and given, you should write the short form. Understand? Understand, children? Yes. Come to the second sum, 3 tens and 8 ones. Which number is there in the tens place? 3. Which number is there in the ones place? 8. Understand how to write? Third sum you can say now. Which number is there in the tens place? 9. Which number is there in the ones place? 0. Understand how to write? Yes. Next, which number is there in the tens place? 5. Right here, 5. Which number is there in the ones place? 1. Next, which number is there in the tens place? 8. Ones place? 6. Understand how to write? If they only give this number, you should expand and write. When they expand and give, you should write the short form. You should understand the heading, write the numbers in the short form. How to write, understand? Once again, I'll tell you, then you'll understand well. See. Write the numbers in short form. 4 tens and 2 ones. So, 42. 3 tens and 8 ones. 38. You should not write numbers whichever you want. You should see here which number is there. Then, and you should write. 9 tens and 0 ones. 90. 5 tens and 1 ones. 51. 8 tens and 6 ones. 86. Understand this main? Have you understand, children? Yes. So copy down this today's second main and keep ready the next page to write the next main. Okay. Shall I erase this? Shall I erase this? Yes. So next page, keep ready, fresh page. Today's third page. Draw the clock or the clock to show the given to show the given time. Write this heading in the next third page. Previous class we wrote 5 mains. After that, today I started. This is the third main, isn't it? First main we wrote. What you wrote first main? Clock. Then second main short form. Now this main. Draw the clock to show the given time. You should draw the clock. Take a scale and draw square. Square or circle, any clock you can draw. So, can use the scale and draw neatly. Okay, neatly straight line. The two squares you can draw. Right. Clock and given like this. So how to draw the clock, you know. First, after drawing the square, mark 4 markings in the middle. 2, 3. Okay. Then write the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12. Then center point here. It should be 6 and 12 between and 3 and 9 between. Okay. Then write the other numbers. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. By leaving one finger space gap. Okay. Neatly draw. Then mark the timings. 9 o'clock. So short hand should be near 9. Long hand should be near 12. Like that only 12 o'clock. Mark here 4 markings and 3, 6, 9, 12. Center point here. Then write the other numbers 1. Finger space gap must be there. Okay. You have seen the clock, how the timings it will be. So like that you should draw. 12 o'clock means where the short hand will lie and where the long hand will lie. Where it will be there, both the hands will be there near 12. Okay. Long hand and short hand, both the hands will be near 12. Isn't it? 12 o'clock means both the hands will be near 12 only. That is the 12 o'clock timings. You should draw this. Okay, neatly. After drawing this, you can keep ready the next main. Understand how to do this main? Yes. So, after drawing this main neatly, keep ready the next main. Yes. So how many mains we did in the classwork today? Today we did in the classwork 3 mains, isn't it? 3 mains. clock main, then short form, then again 2 clocks. Isn't it? 3 mains we did in the classwork today. Which book you wrote? 3 mains. It should be there in the maths classwork today. Now take out homework. Today's homework I'll give. 3 mains you wrote in the classwork, no children. Now you write what I'll give that main in the homework. Today's homework. Maths homework. Today's homework. You write down. Write the numbers in short form. We did in the classwork now, just now. Same main I am giving for the homework today. One sum I'll show, remaining 4 sums you should do. Okay. 2 tens and 4 ones. Tens and 3 ones. Tens and 0 ones. Tens and 5 ones. Tens and 6 ones. So, you know how to do this main? Just now we finished in the classwork this main only I have given for the homework. This main you should do in the homework book. Classwork book, 3 mains, don't get confusion. Write the numbers in the short form. How to do? 2 tens. Which number is there in the tens place? 2. Yes. Which number is there in the ones place? 4. 24. Understand? Next sum, 5. 5 is there. Right here, 5 in the tens place. 3 is there in the ones place. Right, 3. Okay, next sum, you will do next sum now, next 3 sums. I have shown you 2 sums. One more sum also I'll show. 6 is there in the tens place, write 6 here, 0 ones. So now you should write only 2 sums. Can you write this? This all the 5 sums should be written in the homework book. Write the numbers in the short form. 2 tens and 4 ones, 24. 5 tens and 3 ones, 53. 6 tens and 0 ones, 60, 60. 8 tens and 5 ones, 85. 4 tens and 6 ones, so 46. You'll write now in homework, children? Yes. Today, 3 mains in the classwork, 1 main in the homework. You finish it and practice the same mains in the rough note at home. And don't forget to practice the tables also, children. Okay, tables also don't forget. Tables you practice in the rough note daily. Practice in the rough book. Rough note this one. Okay, ROUGS. What is this? Rough notebook. You write down the tables and practice. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Daily 2 tables you practice in the rough. Otherwise you'll forget. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 7, 3 tens are 30. In each class, I'll teach you two tables. You practice the rough note. This first write classwork, then write homework, then take out rough note. Practice the sums and tables both. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Once again, I'll say 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay. So today's class, you finish the classwork, homework, and rough note practice it. I'll continue in the next class. Thank you, children.